What if the food we eat every day held secrets that affected our health, well-being, and the planet? Today we're lifting the lid on the processed food industry to reveal what's really in those convenient packets on the supermarket shelves. From hidden ingredients to unexpected health effects and the environmental impact, this is going to blow your mind. 1. What is processed food? We can begin by defining what processed food is actually. Put simply, these are foods that have been modified from their original form. It could be for the sake of security, prolonged storage life, ease of handling, or taste improvement. Canning, freezing, refrigeration, dehydration, and aseptic processing are some procedures used in processing foods. Examples include canned vegetables and breakfast cereals to ready-to-eat meals and snack foods. Even though some processes may make foods safer and more easily available, there is increasing worry about the nutritional value of highly processed items. 2. The ingredients and additives. Frequently, manufactured products carry unfamiliar or incoherent ingredients and additives. Some common food additives are preservatives, artificial flavors, coloring agents, sweeteners, and a variety of chemicals that maintain the structure and prolong shelf life. For example, obesity and diabetes have been attributed to high fructose corn syrup, which is a major sweetener. Sodium benzoate as a preservative may produce benzene, which is a known cancer-causing agent in certain conditions. When these are all long-term health risks, it is important to read labels and be aware of what you consume. 3. The manufacturing process. Processed food manufacturing is geared towards efficiency rather than health. Ingredients are often imported from various parts of the world, necessitating lengthy supply chains that demand preservatives to be used. Many foods go through refining, which removes natural nutrients, and then they are enriched or fortified with synthetic vitamins and minerals. This can result in a product that is nutritionally correct but lacks the inherent advantages of real food. Furthermore, farming utilizing genetically engineered organisms, GMOs, and toxic substances may pose more dangers to human lives. 4. Marketing and consumer perception. The processed food industry therefore has spectacular advertising techniques, which is complemented by catchy words such as natural, organic, and low-fat, among others. But these labels can be quite deceiving. For instance, cookies bearing the tag low-fat may mean reduced fat content per serving but is likely to have higher sugar content. Equally, the use of the word natural has also been associated with slogans such as low preservatives, low processing, or no addictions. This knowledge about various marketing strategies may come in handy to defend yourself against confusing sales pitches and commercials. 5. Health implications. It is evident that wanting a healthier lifestyle in relation to their diets, individuals should significantly reduce their intake of refined foods. The consumption of processed foods is known to have negative effects on human health, causing obesity, heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, and some forms of cancer. Many foods and beverages consumed are rich in unhealthy fats, sugars, and salts, yet poor in nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Prolonged adherence to the aforementioned diet policy may result in poor nutrition and various lifestyle diseases. However, to prevent receiving all these nutrients in one package and to aim for a healthier lifestyle and a healthier body, it is recommended that one includes more of whole, natural foods in his diet. 6. The environmental impact. But there is more to it than health. The processed food industry has a heavy environmental footprint as well. Examining the available literature, then one finds this point, which highlights the problem with the extensive use of plastic packaging negatively affects the environment and generation of landfill waste. Benchmarking shows that the process of transport of some ingredients over a long distance implies high carbon footprint. Moreover, the production of agricultural raw materials necessary for food processing involves intensive farming practices, which have adverse effects on land degradation, water pollution, and the depletion of the biosphere. Selecting foods that are grown nearby and as natural as possible can help in cutting the amount of harm done to nature. 7. Making healthier choices. Therefore, dealing with this question of processed foods, how does a consumer make better choices? Begin by increasing the consumption of complex entities and reducing consumption of processed foods. For example, fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Whenever possible, take the time to cook a meal for oneself so that ingredients are fresh. During purchasing of processed foods, ensure you go for those foods that contain a small number of contents on their ingredient list. Fair enough, and do not forget that when it comes to long-term effects of certain behaviors, every drop in the bucket counts. What is presented as the simple mass production of tasty and convenient meals is actually a tangled skein of an industry and its product, and their effects on consumers. Sometimes when looking at everything it might seem extremely intimidating, but being informed makes you make the right decisions towards healthier lives and the planet. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to like it, follow us and hit that notification bell to be informed of our future videos. Together, let's stay healthy and conserve our environment, thereby embracing a healthier lifestyle as well as a healthy planet.